Hi students, I'm going to show you how to put together your references page for the next essay. But first I want to briefly discuss why we use references pages. And for that I'm showing you here one of my own essays. And you'll see I make several claims that I back up with these in-text citations, parenthetical in-text citations. For example, the first sentence, plagiarism is widely acknowledged to be a problem in higher education. And I cite a few sources, Bredar 2003, Spratt et al. 2017, I'm sorry if I mispronounced the name, Lofstrom and Kupila, 2013, and so on. Now, these are sources that have made that claim that plagiarism is a problem in higher education. And what this does is it tells the reader if you want to look into those sources yourself, you can look up, for example, Bredar 2003, and all of these sources will be listed on my references page, which is at the very end of this document. And here you see Bread Art 2003. Now this is listed in APA format. Every source that I quoted or paraphrased in my essay is listed in alphabetical order here in APA format. Now where do I find that? Well, you'll remember that when we did our search for the Sula paper, we went to the library search tool. We're going to do something similar. I want you to go to the libraries pages and it'll take you here to the learning resources page. But then I want you to click on databases instead. Now, since this next topic is about the environment, let's go ahead and look for earth science articles. And I'm going to go and choose the Earth and Environmental Science collection by Springer. I'm going to search for articles. Okay, so I'm going to search in articles. I want to make sure we're looking for peer-reviewed articles. And I'm going to do biodiversity because that's one of the topics. I believe it's topic number 6. Anyway, so here are several results. Now we want to filter this by date as well. So, nothing older than 5 years generally. But for this assignment, try to limit it within the last 5 years or so, no older. But I'm just gonna take this just to see. For example, I'm gonna get this article, and if I like it, you read the abstract, and if you feel that it's useful to you, you download it, download the PDF, and read it. Now, when you want to cite it, it's gonna give you this: cite this article. This might not always be correct up here. You'll notice this is not APA format. I'll give you a quick trick though. Copy the title and go to Google Scholar, because they have a cool little tool on Google Scholar where if you find the article, there you go, I can click cite and it gives me the APA citation, which I can then copy and I can paste it into my Word document. All right, I have to then put references and center that, make that bold and centered. Everything needs to be double spaced on your references page. So you want to make sure you go to the 3 little dots, choose line spacing, double space it. And while you're there, go to special indent and choose hanging indent. And there you go. There's the first source now. You'll notice it's last name, comma, first initial, year, title. The title is in block print with only the first letter capitalized. And then the title of the journal uses all capitalization for all the major words plus italics. Okay, if you want some information about how to format your references, remember to use the APA poster. I hope this helps, and I hope to see some really nicely formatted references pages. Goodbye.